Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to copy course content over from an existing course in Blackboard to a new course. Now, the first thing you do when you get into Blackboard is that you see the list of courses that you have taught or will be teaching. Anything that is currently not available will state that it's currently not available, which means that you as an instructor can see it and you can add content to it, but it is not available to students. So if you wanted to copy over content you had from a previous class to a new class, the first thing you need to do is go to the previous course. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of these courses here. And then what you will see is you will see the course that you have in here. I want to copy over specific information onto this next course. When you copy a course, you have a choice. You can copy everything in its entirety or only select things. So for this, I'm going to actually scroll down in Blackboard, and I'm going to go down to where it says Control Panel. Once I'm in Control Panel, I'm going to go to Packages and Utilities. And when I do that, I will see a list that shows up. I'm going to select the second option, which says Course Copy on it. And I'm going to click on that, wait for it to open up. And when I see that, the first thing that opens up is a Select Copy Type. So in this case, I want to actually copy course materials into an existing course. Where it says Destination Course ID, this is asking what course am I going to copy this information to. So I'm in my current course and it's asking me what course am I actually sending this to. So I would click on Browse, and when I do that I will see a list of all the courses that I have taught or will be teaching, and I will simply select whatever the course is that I want this to go to, wherever these materials are going to, and I will scroll down and then I will click on Submit. Once I do that, I will see a big list of all the different items that I can copy over to my course. I can select everything in here or only specific things. So for example, I may not necessarily want my announcements to be carried over because those are very specific to that course that I taught previously, but I might want my course content or any materials I used. Typically, you really don't want to carry over the grade center if you have inherited this class from another professor, just because you want to make sure that their grade center is correct. Now, if you are sure that your grade center is correct and all your columns are correct, then you can go ahead and copy over the grade center, which will copy over all the existing columns that you have in your grade book. So you would select whatever items that you want to be copied over. Once you do that, you will scroll down and you will see at the bottom there is a button that says Submit. You want to leave where it says Course Files here, where it says Copy Links and Copies of Content. You want to leave that checked off, and you want to click Submit. If for some reason you have the exact same students that you had from a previous semester, you can copy over the enrollments. And what that will do is it will carry over those students' names into your grade book. We don't recommend doing that if this is a brand new course with new students because you're not most likely going to have the exact same students. When you click on Submit, that information will be copied over to your existing course. So I'm going to click on Submit. You will see a message that says that it is being looked into. You will receive an email in your email that says, hey, your content has been copied over to the course that you have selected. Okay, so now I'm in my course that I copied that information to. You will see a yellow thing at the top that says, oh, you've had something copied over here. So this is letting me know that I've copied that information on here. For my example, I had copied over a syllabus, so I will click on syllabus to find it. But typically anything that you've copied over will typically show up at the bottom of your course menu in Blackboard. For this particular example, I copied over syllabus, so I will click on syllabus, and I will see that I have information in there. And if I scroll down, I will see that this right here is the information that I had copied over from that previous class. Once you have copied information over to your course, then you can start fixing and tweaking items as you see fit, but you don't have to reinvent the wheel and create brand new content. If you have any questions, give us a call at the Instructional Technology Department, extension 4252.